Kevin, what are we doing here? What did you talk me into?
So today we're going to be doing a 2.5-inch lift kit from Icon. Actually, it's a pretty good kit. The suspension rides really well. It's going to be pretty amazing. We got upper controllers, we got blocks, we got full coilover and shocks, rear shocks. So it's going to ride pretty awesome. So I'm excited for this build.
Okay, let's do it.
Our team of Nissan certified mechanics know and understand your vehicle. When you purchase any vehicle from Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne, you can finance any customization that you choose. We can add wheels, we can add tires, we can lift, we can lower, we can wrap it, we can add tint, we can add an audio system, we can add speakers, we can add external lighting. We can customize your vehicle any way you choose. And the cool thing is that we can make it part of your loan. You can buy any new or used vehicle from Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne, and you can customize that vehicle however you choose. So if you're in the market for a new car or truck, come see us here at Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne.